are joining as a guest, Mahira?
Sir, I have a problem with Teams app, sir. I have raised my issue with Anand Krishnamurthy, sir.
No, only
Sir,
thing is, what is the problem? You have to solve it very quickly because in internals, so only through USN only we will add the candidate. Okay.
okay.
Just restall. I will forward you one what you say the instruction manual. Once again, how to start with Teams
Yes,
only.
no, I was following, sir, but
Okay.
it is not getting registered, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, once again, I will give the instruction. Once again,
Okay.
reinstall the Teams app because internals when it comes now, we need
Okay.
to have through USN numbers only. You will be getting into. Okay, that
Yes,
is
sir.
one problem you will face when it comes to internals. Right.
Okay, sir.
So, what was the last problem that we have been discussed? What was the problem number
3, sir.
3? We are done, right? With the question number 4 today.
Yes. Sir.
Is visible now?
Module 3, sir.
Question 3. Question 3 was homework which was been given, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have solved and you got the answer here. Any difficulty are you facing?
Yes. No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to question number 4. Okay. Question number 4 is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's try to understand the question number 4 here. What is the question number 4 is using the following data, calculate the value of the call and the put option on the stock, right? So what is that we have is we have a spot price that is S naught, which is 1238, right? So 1238 is the spot price and exercise price is 1230. Right, 1230 is the exercise price and the spot price is 1238 and followed by the risk-free rate is 8% per annum, that is RF. So standard deviation is given as 0.42. Directly the value of the standard deviation is given as 0.42. Okay, then you have time to expiry. So time to expiry of the contract here is 45 days, right? So 45 days is the time to expiry of the contract and continuous dividend rate on the index is 1.8% per annum. Okay, so here we have a situation where the underlying asset is giving a dividend. We have a dividend, but the dividend is not in the form of cash, but the dividend is in the form of yield, right? So dividend yield, which is expressed in the form of like 1.8% per annum, right? So here we come across 3 methods, right? So one such method is this the general method that we have been discussed, common. So this is the other method, right? So what is that? We find the difference here is I just minimize this and open the concept which we have been discussed. Okay, so as I said, like we come across, if you look at the second point here, based on the given data, right? The underlying asset can be in the form of cash dividend, or it can be in the form of like dividend yield, right? Is this visible to you? Second sub question, based on the given data, case 1 is underlying asset with no dividend, no income, underlying asset with income, underlying asset with income with the cost in the form of dividend yield. Whether this slide is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Right. So case one that we have been discussed where there is no income. Right. Case two, we have a stock with a cash as a dividend. Right. The dividend is been given in the form of like a cash. Right. When the dividend is given in the form of like a cash, then we had to do some adjustment. Right. So what is that we need to do the adjustment here is right. So wherever we come across yes, right. So wherever suppose in the first case you look at yes not into ND1 we take row. So yes not to be made as a yes star, right? So what is this yes star? Yes star is nothing but right. So adjusted current market price of the underlying asset, right? Adjusted current market. What is the adjusted current market price is? That is yes star. Yes not star is equal to yes not. Yes not is the current market price. Current market price minus current dividend. What is the current dividend that the company has been paying? Multiplied by exponential to the power of minus RT. Exponential to the power of minus RT, right? So when you take the present value of the dividend, first calculate the present value of the dividend and then subtract the present value of the dividend from S naught, right? So then you will get what the value you call as a S naught star, right? So this S naught star is where you need to substitute wherever you come across in the formula. So majorly you come across in the formula like S naught when you take in the capital call price, and you will use S naught when you take the put option price, right? So there you use S naught, and also you use when you calculate D1, right? So when you calculate D1, you take a ln open the bracket S naught star divided by K, right? Where you again you use S naught. There also you need to take it as a S naught star value. Okay. So such problems that we use it there where you can use it. Then the third case, which is dividend, is in the form of yield, where C equals to S naught into e to the power of minus delta T, right? So whenever there is a dividend which is given in the form of yield, right, which is given in the form of yield, right, what we will do is we have to adjust the formula here. What is that? The adjustment of formula here is we take capital call price C equals to S naught, right, S naught into e to the power of, that is exponential to the power of minus delta T, right? So whatever the delta value has been given, we need to take exponential to the power of minus delta T into ND1, right? ND1 minus exponential exercise price E into e to the power of minus RT into ND2, right? So delta represent the yield dividend yield there. Okay. So that is one thing. Then when it comes to put option, P equals to exercise price E into e to the power of minus RT, N of minus D2 minus S naught into e to the power of minus delta T, right? The whole right hand part will come on to the left hand side here, right? So this is how in the case of dividend yield. What happens in the case of dividend yield is we are going to multiply S naught into e to the power of minus delta T, one adjustment. Then in the other formula, when you take the D1, right? So when you take the D1 here, for the case 2 where the dividend is in the form of cash, what is that we do is ln S naught star we take there, while for the case of like dividend yield, so what is that we do it here is, so D1 equals to ln S naught by K, close the bracket, plus open the bracket, R minus delta, right? So R minus delta first we need to simplify, plus open the bracket, standard deviation square divided by 2 whole multiplied by capital T, right? So then divided by what is that we need to take is standard deviation multiplied by root T. Okay, this is how the formula for the dividend yield. So this is the formula that we need to use here for our problem number 4, right? The problem number 4, what is that we use it here is for the D1, when we want to calculate, we have to take ln open the bracket S naught by K plus open the bracket R minus delta, then close the bracket, plus delta standard deviation square divided by 2, close the bracket, whole multiplied by T divided by standard deviation into root T. Okay, this is one thing. Then when it comes to call option price, what is that we need to do? S naught into e to the power of minus delta T N D1 minus excise price into e to the power of minus RT N D2, right? So this is for in a call option. Now we got in a formula and try to understand what is the formula. Let's straight away we will apply the formula here, right? So here where the question we try to understood, like here we have a dividend yield, which is given as in a 1.8%, right? So now let's substitute the values, right? So given the formula that have been written for a call and the put, as we know that we need to first calculate, we need to calculate first what is D1, right? So D1 equals to ln open the bracket yes naught divided by K close the bracket plus open the bracket R minus delta, right? R minus delta close the bracket plus standard deviation square divided by 2 into T. Now I'm substituting the values. Ln open the bracket yes naught. Yes naught is what here? 1238. 1238 divided by 1230 close the bracket, right? So 1238 divided by 1230, what the value that you are going to get there? Simplify this and let me know what is the D1 value here. Calculated?
Doing just still.
Doing, huh? Okay.
Sir, D1 I got 0.1936.
0.1936. Okay.
Yes.
These two value. issue, by the way.
Sir, D2 value 0.451, sir.
451. Okay. So once we get these, now let's first calculate what we call as a ND1. Okay. ND1, how much it is? 0.5 plus what is the table value of 0.1936? Table value of 1.96.
0.0753, sir.
Zero table value, ma final value.
Table value, sir.
Table value 0.
0.0753, sir.
0.0753. Okay. Add up ND1 value. How much you are going to get there?
0.575.
0.5753. Okay. Right. Now ND2. Sorry, D2. D2 and ND2. ND2 is 0.5 plus table value for 0.451.
0.0160, sir. Table value.
Table value 0.0
160.
160. Okay. When you add up 0.5160.
16. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Now we'll substitute the value into the main formula. So main formula, call option C is equals to what is S naught here? What is S naught? 1238.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1238 multiplied by exponential to the power of minus delta. Minus exponential to minus delta is minus 0.018. Okay. Minus 0.018 multiplied by, okay, 45 divided by 360. Done. Then you have multiplied by ND1 value. ND1 value is 0.5751. Okay.
5753, sir.
5753. Okay. 5753. Okay. After this, simplifying, you have minus sign. Exponential power is 1230. Okay. 1230 multiplied by x is exponential to the power of minus RT. R is how much here? The risk-free rate is 0.08 multiplied by 45 divided by 360, right? Multiplied 45 divided by 360 multiplied by 0.5160. Okay. I will just read once again. Call price C equals to 1238, that is a spot price, multiplied by exponential to the power of minus delta T. So delta value is 0.018. Okay, 0.018 multiplied by 45 divided by 360. That is 45 days for expiry divided by 360. Then multiplied by ND1 value. ND1 value is 0.5753. Okay, 0.5753 minus. Then you have like exercise price. Exercise price is given as 1230, right? So 1230 multiplied by exponential to the power of minus r. Minus r is 0.08 multiplied by 45 divided by 360 multiplied by 0.5160. Okay. So substituting all this, you will be get the price of a call option. What is the price of the call option here?
Sir, exponential power we are getting minus 0.00225, sir.
Which one?
Exponential value, sir. Power.
Power.
Each
Okay, minus. Yeah, minus. If
minus.
it is minus value, if you get, you look at for the minus table, ma.
No, sir. Value is 0.00225, sir. What? How much round of we should consider, sir?
Just a minute.
0.01.
I'll just open the table value here. 45 divided by 360. How much it is?
45 divided by 360, 0.125, sir.
0.125, right? Multiplied
Yes.
by 0.018.
0.00225, sir.
0.00 you are getting, right?
Yes, sir.
So 0.00 when you are getting, you have to take the first nearest value, that is 0.01.
Okay.
Okay. So the value would be like 0.99005. Okay. The first thing 0.01. Since it is double
Yes, sir.
zero, so we don't have a table. So we take the nearest value, that is 0.01. That is nearest value. So for 0.01 e to the power of minus x value is 0.99005. Okay. 1238 multiplied by 0.99005 multiplied by 0.5753. Done? Okay.
Call price.
Final answer, ma.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the final answer? What is the final answer?
76.77, sir.
76.77. Right? In the same
Yes,
way,
sir.
can you calculate for the put option? The values are all, first you need to calculate n of minus d1, right? N of minus d1. So n of minus d1 is 0.5 minus, so d1 value what you got is minus table value 0.0753. Okay, this simplify and you get n of minus d2. N of minus d2 is 0.5 minus 0.0160. Okay, first n of minus d1, 0.5 minus 0.0753. How much that you are going to get?
0.4247, sir.
Okay, 0.4247. Similarly, ND2, n of minus d2,
0.484, sir.
0.484. Okay, good. Now you substitute the values. You substitute the values in the put option and give the details. What is that you are going to get there? What is that?
Sir, in put formula, sir,
Okay, ma.
uh, in formula, both sides we should take ND2, sir.
No, no. One is a ND2, another is a ND1. Right? I'll just say you the substitution. Right? So if you say exercise price E, that is 1230. Right?
Yes, sir.
1230 multiplied by exercise price exponential to the power of minus R. R is 0.08 multiplied by 45 divided by 360. Done?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then multiplied by you have normal distribution value minus D2. Minus D2, how much we got the value here? You said like
0.484.
okay 0.4842 na 484. Okay,
484, sir.
4 fine, right, minus S naught is 1238. Fine, 1238 multiplied by e to the power of minus delta. Delta is 0.018, right? 0.018 multiplied by 45 divided by 360, then again whole multiplied by n of minus d2, that is 0.4247. 0.4247. Okay. So I will read out once again. P equals to exercise price E, that is 1230 multiplied by n of minus d2, right? Sorry, E into exponential to the power of minus RT. Exponential to the power of minus R is 0.08 multiplied by 45 divided by 360. Then multiplied by n of minus d2 value is 0.484. Then minus value. Then you have S naught. S naught is 1238. 1238 multiplied by exponential to the power of minus delta t. Delta value is 0.018 multiplied by 45 divided by 360 multiplied by n of minus d1, 0.4247. Okay. So this is the standard way of substitution. Simplify that, you will get the put option price.
68.85, sir.
68.65. Okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Good.
68.85, sir.
Okay, okay, right. Hmm. Okay, here we'll stop it. So I have a next class immediately. So I just wanted one request. I requested in the group that we wanted to do one demo of mergers subject. Try to assess like how exactly the evaluation, how exactly the online exams will go on. So we wanted a class strength of 20 students, just a dummy. Nothing that we want to evaluate and try to give you the marks. Just we wanted to see how exactly the things will go on. So I just requested, but I hardly found students responding to me. At least I want this core finance students of 4 students to be joined, followed by some 16 students in the duel. Are you all ready, right? Triveni, Premtej, Rakshit, Gadilinga. All are ready to join tomorrow for the demo online test. Triveni, Yenama. Will you speak and say me what is your response?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's just a demo. We don't have anything like what you call to hard and fast. Simple. We wanted to know how the test will go on in Google as well as like Microsoft Team. We wanted to use it, and we wanted to see the pros and cons of the test. So that final
Okay.
implementation that we will make it. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
all I will take these 4 students who is regular to my core finance, and also ask your friends to also give the response. Okay, so that I can try to bring in easily conduct and try to see how exactly the students will make it. Fine. So I'll
Okay,
be
sir.
taking all your 4 students' name there. Tomorrow I'll give the instructions. All for the 4 students, I'll give the instruction. Followed by I will also invite for other 16 students from the now mergers group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right now.
Sir,
Thank you. Thank you.
I need a little correction with Teams app, sir.
What is that? You say me, ma? That
Teams app,
you're
sir.
joining as a guest. You said no.
Yes, sir.
What I will do is I will give the instruction to you once again re-log in. Okay. If you're
Okay.
still finding difficulty, then either you talk to the Isamuddin or talk to the Anand Krishnamurthy. Either of these 2 people you can talk and make the correction. First you talk to Isamuddin. You have the number of
Okay.
Isamuddin?
No, sir.
Okay, I will forward. You just drop a WhatsApp message to me. If not in a group, I will drop his number. Anybody
Okay.
has any technical problem can contact to the person. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Right. Fine. Also,
Thank
I
you.
request your friends to join for the demo test for tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you.